Welcome, welcome. It's day 7. I don't know what that smells of. I reckon they're all starting to smell the same now. Did you blow it out from up there?
No.
Hey?
No.
Let's get crafting. So here we are, day 7. Day 7. So I put that decoration on yesterday. I've just put felt Christmas tree out my stash from last year, I think. And we're in the middle now. So I have put a lovely gold bead there. And then on this one, we've got like a multicoloured, got some green running through that, and then we have on this side a little dove of peace carrying the olive branch. So I thought that went nicely with Peaceful Christmas. So today, what are we doing today? Well, we're doing clusters, and you know, clusters are so easy, aren't they? And they make a difference to a page, and I thought, you know, we'd have a quick easy one today. And I've already made some clusters, but before I show you those, I said yesterday I was going to make some fuchsia, didn't I? So some washi tape, faux washi tape with the pieces of paper, and I love them. So basically there are some strips of paper from Glad Tidings. That's from a bit of Christmas paper, Christmas card. Crafting Christmas card, and these are strips of Glad Tidings, and you just put your double-sided tape on the back, and then you've got them for wherever you want to decorate them. And again, you know, you've got the colours that you want for your journal. And I have got some that I've done the hand painting on and everything, so you could do some hand painting, hand stamping. But I just wanted to show you another way for using up strips from your background papers from Glad Tidings. And they look really good on a page, I think. So it may well be that we'll put a little bit on there. We shall see. I don't know if that's the right way up there. Okay then. So how have I done my clusters? Bit of background paper again from the kit. Yesterday when I did all the dressmaking paper there, when I did that sewing, I did some extra pieces to put under my clusters, and I've not done that before. I've not used this dressmaking paper before on clusters, but I like it. It sort of just gives it a little bit of a different texture, and you've got these little layers as well. So because you're doing a layered cluster, I liked that. And obviously just change your colour of your thread or whatever on your machine. If you haven't got a machine, you could just do some hand sewing, or you know, you can put a little bit of that paper on and then just staple it together. So I have put, I can't remember if this, I've done that many rounds, you know, done that many punching out. Can't remember if this was a round that Tracie's done in the kit or whether it's her paper and I've stamped it out. I can't remember anymore. That probably is off a piece of paper. I can't remember. It doesn't matter, does it? It doesn't matter because, you know, if you've got a round punch, make things with it. Little Christmas label out of the one of the label kits. And that's that one. Then this one, again, a little bit of that background, and as I say, it's the same as this that I've made the fuchsia out of, so you could put a little element of that. You know, you can't see much of that really, but you could put a little bit of that on it if you wanted. In fact, you know, we'll see if we're going to put it there. We could put a little bit of that on. Let's just rip. No, better not rip it. Better. Don't want to mess me. Let's just have a bit of that showing. That'll do us, just so I've got a bit of that showing. And then that can go. Now I like it that way better. That perhaps could go there with a bit of that. Right. Then this one, again, piece of background from the kit. A bit more of the dressmaking paper. A bit more again from just torn off this paper here. And then Yuletide, that one said. So you can see how, you know, clusters, and I'm sure most of you will already know, they're a great way to use up scraps, and they look lovely on your page. And then this one, again, same principle. We've got some background paper, dressmaking paper, a special delivery label from the labels, and this is one of the fussy cuts that I printed to a page to scale down the Santa for me, and I thought actually he would be quite nice. And now I think I'm going to just tear that little bit off, because I like him with that Christmas tree, as if he's come to put the presents on it. Something along those lines there. Okay, so let's get those put down. I'm going to put this down first. Now, I'm not sure, because most of it's going to be, no, I do like it, prefer it that way. So the thing is, when you've made this, your strips of your fuchsia, and as I say, it was a Roxy's weekly challenge, I love them, because you can have loads in all sorts of different styles ready just to add a pop of something to your project. So I'm going to put that there, and then I'm going to stick this one. I think my 3-in-1's about done. Warm and cosy there. Stick that there. See what I mean, how it carries on running out when you get near the end. Woohoo! Let me get this glue down first, and then I can press on them once it's down. I'm going to put in there. Okay. I just press them down. Give them a chance to set. So still carry on keeping your scraps. Is it tomorrow? Might be tomorrow, day after we need them. I have to check my list. Right, okay. Now do I want a bit of... No, that's too blue. Do I want a bit of red on there? Let's just chop a bit off and see. I like it there. I know we've got that showing, but I'll leave the number 12 showing. If I'd have thought about it, I could have used this on the last day, couldn't I, on the 12th? And then we got that. I didn't think about that. Okay, let's just put a little when I can get in it. Okay then, so I'm just going to put that pop of colour there, like that. Right, do we need another little bit at all? Just this little skerrick here that we've got left. Does that look like a present? Probably not. Right, now the other thing, the lovely Lynn gave us another one of her prompts for today, and it was use buttons. So because I'm giving you a quick and easy video today, just a little bit of this Christmas paper. I've got a little bit of fabric there that I've frayed, and I've put 3 buttons on here, a bit to look a bit like a Christmas tree to go with that. So I thought I would stick that in the middle. There we go. I'll hold that down a minute. Okay, love it. I might do a little bit of just rub my coloured pencil just along the top there. Just to give it a pop of colour there on the paper. Give Santa something to stand on. And the thing is, because this is so, you've got so many lines and imperfections in this paper, because it's handmade, you actually colour it over with like a coloured pencil or wax. You get some lovely bit of patterning in it. Right, okay, so all we've got left to do now is to do tomorrow's pick. Not many left now. There we go, I'll take that one out. Oh, bless her. 3 in a row there, Lynn. 3 in a row, my lovely. You need that. You need that. 3 in a row for luck. Favourite fabric scrap. And of course, some of these, you see, I took out the ones that were just for sewing that wouldn't have worked. So honestly, there's not just David and I and Lynn in. So favourite fabric scrap is tomorrow's pick. Oh, might have to put a bit of that Devore of my mum's. I've not got much left now. Okay then, I told you it'd be a nice, quick, easy video. See, you've got time to go and get your shopping done now. All right then, see you tomorrow. Bye for now.